Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fanttik jump starter. This handy device is a lifesaver when your car battery unexpectedly dies, getting you back on the road quickly and safely. We'll cover everything from understanding its key features and preparing for a jump start to the step-by-step process of connecting it to your vehicle. Plus, I'll share some essential tips for post-jump start care and maintaining your device for long-term reliability. Get ready to feel confident and prepared for any roadside emergency. Before you begin, it's crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery voltage matches what your Fanttik jump starter is designed for. Most passenger vehicles use a 12-volt system. Next, take a moment to locate the positive and negative terminals on your car battery. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and covered with a red cap, while the negative has a minus sign. Finally, always check that your jump starter has sufficient charge to power up your vehicle. A fully charged unit ensures a successful start. Now, let's connect the jump starter. First, securely attach the red clamp to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Then, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal, or, if recommended by your vehicle's manual, to a suitable unpainted metal part of the engine block for a good ground connection. Once both clamps are firmly in place, follow the specific instructions on your Fanttik jump starter to initiate the jump start sequence. It's designed to be straightforward and safe, guiding you through the process. Once your vehicle has successfully started, it's important to disconnect the jump starter in the correct order. First, remove the black clamp from the negative terminal or ground point, then detach the red clamp from the positive terminal. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to give your battery some time to recharge. Finally, remember to store your Fanttik jump starter in a cool, dry place and keep it regularly charged, so it's always ready for your next adventure or unexpected need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.